Hello guys, in this video we'll know about the rise of Chat GPT and understanding the language model revolution. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So let us start. Welcome to a deep dive into the history and functionality of Chat GPT, a language model developed by OpenAI. Language models like Chat GPT are revolutionizing the way we interact with computers, and this video we will take a closer look at how this technology came to be and what it can do. In the early days of artificial intelligence, language models were limited in their capabilities. They could only generate simple responses based on a limited amount of data. But in 2017, OpenAI introduced GPT, or we can say generative pre-training transformer, a language model that could generate human-like text. GPT was trained on a massive data set of internet text, making it the largest language model at this time. But GPT still had its limitations. It struggled with understanding context and handling longer pieces of text. In 2019, OpenAI introduced ChatGPT, a variant of ChatGPT that was specifically trained on a massive data set of conversational text. This allowed ChatGPT understand context and handle longer pieces of text, making it well suited for tasks such as conversation generation and language translation. ChatGPT is now used in a variety of applications including chatbot, virtual assistants, and automated customer service. It can generate responses to user input, understand and respond to different language, and even generate creative writing and poetry. One of the most powerful aspects of ChatGPT is its ability to be fine-tuned for specific tasks. This means that a pre-trained model can be adjusted to fit a specific purpose, such as generating responses in a customer service chatbot or answering questions in virtual assistant. ChatGPT is also being used in virtual assistants, providing natural language understanding and generation. This allows virtual assistants to understand context and have more human-like conversations with users. Another exciting development in language models is multitasking. This allows a single language model to perform multiple tasks such as language translation and question answering. This has the potential to greatly increase efficiency and reduce costs in various industries. The possibilities for this technology are endless, and it is exciting to see what new development and applications will come in the future. As language models like ChatGPT continue to improve, they will play an increasingly important role in our lives and in the way we interact with technology. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thanks for watching.